Now I will tell you how the data validation can do wonders. Yeah. So by country, I need the cities to be shown here as a filter. So I first select the countries here. I've taken three countries as an example to better explain you. So press Alt A V V to do the data validation list. Select the countries here and say OK. Now I'm selecting India here, UK here, and Germany here. Now next thing is, let's give a range, name range for this. For that, go to formula, name manager, create a new one, say India. India should say that, and new for UK, it should show me these three, and the final one is Germany, show me these three. And done with this, close it, and now go to sheet 1, and I'm selecting only those three. And let's again do the data validation. Data validation list equal to indirect C4. Now you can see under India we will have four different countries, and under UK you'll have only three, and under Germany you'll have only two. Thank you.